Welcome to Mariner 3S. In this video we show you how to install and use the Mariner 3S app. The app is primarily used to control your Mariner 3S swimming pool cleaning robot, but it has other practical functions. We'll show you which ones. In order to use the app, your device must have a built-in Bluetooth module. You can tell whether a module is installed by looking at the sticker on the control console of the transport trolley. The app is available for iPhone and Android smartphones. Installation is easy. Search for the term Mariner 3S in the App or Play Store. Select the app and install it. Now open the app. The app requires access to Bluetooth and the location service. Allow the app to. You will now see a list of all Mariner 3S cleaning robots that are nearby. Now connect the app to the desired device by tapping Connect. The first time you connect to a device, you must enter the 4-digit access code. By the way, you can find the code in the device settings. Now control the robot as usual. The control elements of the control console are also available. Simply swipe the function keys left or right. If you have multiple devices, you can switch between the robots using the devices function. In order to be able to distinguish the cleaners better, you can assign your own names. The app also displays information about your device. Tap the info icon to view operating hours and cycles. The last 20 status codes are displayed in the lower part. Tap on the code to view its meaning. You can obtain information about the operation of your cleaning robot using the statistics function. Switching on and off as well as the start and stop of the automatic programs are graphically displayed here. Further details can be found in the manual for your cleaning robot or in the app documentation. If the device detects a fault, this is indicated by a symbol on the display. Tap the symbol to receive further information and possible solutions. If our customer service asks you for the settings of your device to troubleshoot the problem, proceed as follows. Connect to the device and select the data function and select the connected device again. Select the desired settings. Send the settings to customer service. Sometimes cleaning company protocols, known as logs, are also helpful for troubleshooting. To send the logs to customer service, simply select one or more log files instead of the settings. Photos or videos are often helpful for support. You can use the Photos function to send images or films to our customer service. Select the device in question or enter its device number. If you want to take a photo of a situation, select the Take Photo function. Take the picture and confirm the submission. If you have already taken photos, select the Photos from Gallery option. Do the same with videos. Thank you for your interest. Further information about our products can be found on our homepage and our YouTube channel.